me cater to you. Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell, you comment and like and share as well with the friend. That's right. Welcome to the life, feeling alright. Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your Dainelle. So by now, you must watch the previous vlog. I see you guys being to this vlog. It's a travel with you vlog. This is my sister. Get to no. Oh, I want to get something to eat first. But first, it's night, so I'll find something to eat or and because it would tell for board. We'll find something to eat. So I'll get in there. I'll get the place. I can go closer to the gate. Let's believe our first time, so we don't know what the else I do, but we will first. People, so we're gonna get little, what is his name? Island Grill. The time is almost 30 minutes we wait, and we'll have 8 minutes because the flight's too down. We just get to the food. We don't know if we can carry it, so we try to drink as much. My food's in my bag, I'm a bite better with chicken. And it's night. Oh, see there. I'm gonna show them the plane in just a second. I'm gonna ask them again, can I do so? So I'm still going back. I'm stressed out. Anyways, I'm not thinking I can go see the plane from this view because it's dark, it's night, and the reflection is showing. So I'm gonna see if I can turn the camera. I'm gonna zoom in. Well, I know. My head, what are you? My head hurt to me is an understatement. People, I'm nervous. I don't want to be the call, so make it to know that. When I'm on girl, I run me a drop.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Guys, it is about to get real. Shit. This real like guys, I'm gonna show you the plane. Just in case people think some of them stunt I can pull off. What God?
Yeah, we'll just reach wherever that was.
Off everybody. So this is the bathroom. This is where I wash around. I'll come here for myself. Hi, hey there. This is the bathroom but behind me. I'm not gonna show you in the toilet, but yeah. I'm gonna use the bathroom because guess what? Island Grill never do me no favor with them juice. Too much ice, too much water, too much juice, and I wanna pee, but it's my first time. Hey, go like this. I'm nervous. Okay, quick. Whoa. People quick joke. I don't know how to wash my hand. That's one. Two. I don't know how to wash my hand. Two. My flush tell it I'm gonna swoon. I'm gonna get swoon. Say hi. Are you? Jesus. Oh. So look for food. That looks so wonderful to me. I don't even open my
Duty free underneath the seat.
There's a doodle free on their seat, you know. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to watch Stranger Things Volume 2. And what have this in front of you now? But me just watch my thing right here, so from a tablet. But just go watch my Volume 2 Stranger Things because it's like 3 hours, so that me go watch. So I always start moving everything look up. This is crazy. At this point.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. To us, yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Going around.
People, we're landing and right now we're here like the host of Art Attack, the plane. We'll land a couple minutes after we find out the Wi-Fi work and how fulfilling. Me just give my charger with the small travel and the entire time my phone was dying, but yeah, this is what's going on. Might not kill me. We're landing now, guys.
And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top. I'm in the light. You know, some of us are united. But the music me excited.
As I say people, my ear do the most. Oh God. But we're happy. We're gonna go for gone kitchen after that. People talk about lost in the city. I would not talk. Now Alice in Wonderland, my love. Alice in the Big Apple. Oh God. Listen, we travel on. Anyways, so real talk now. I just done everything and we're out of the airport. Well, not yet, but still we're coming out. And it's literally almost 3 o'clock a.m. That is. So you know, say I got tired and we're going outside to wait. Oh, the back side with the brute. Across the road. Oh my God. I got so on the whole on the place loud. I want that. look at my picture over there. But I think it's ugly. Say hi. How you feeling? She don't know. And so we're just waiting on our ride. And whenever we reach home, then we'll pick up back and tell you guys and close up this vlog cause it's long now. Long bad man. But yeah, welcome to the new part of Dainelle's chapter, the new chapter of Keep It Real with Dainelle. As soon as we reach home and settle and by myself, I'll close off this vlog. So bye! See you next time until the next chapter. The next clip. What me a talk about? So guys, when I reach to the end of the video, this is like alright, picked us up and we reach home. Like we got picked up after 2 going to 3 and we reach home after 5 a.m. in the morning. We woke up at 9 a.m. the same day. Anyways, and I went on the road and did some things, so I did not get to come to end the video and I was too tired. Jet lag is so real, like. But I'm not in the bag of long talking because the video already long and long overdue. I don't know when you guys are getting this, but I'm just gonna make up on myself. I know I'm never get to do an intro for the 2 video them, but you know what you see is what I get. It was really a rush. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend, to keep it real, because they don't keep it real with everybody. We keep it real with her. So until then, I'm gonna make it myself and bye.